Hey y'all, I just wanted to let you know I crossed the landmark of 100 subscribers. Thank you so much. This channel really just started out to help my students at Pellissippi State learn line dancing, see what it looks like to dance at the Cotton Eye Joe, and it sounds like this channel's been helpful for more than my 20 students. So welcome, glad you're here. To thank you for subscribing, I'm going to tell you the top 5 dances you need to know if you're planning a trip to go dancing at the Cotton Eye Joe. That rhymes, sorry. Number 5, I recommend Lonely Drum. Lonely Drum, I think I learned that in Vegas in 2017. It's stuck around. It's danced all over the world. You'll get to do it anywhere. At the Cotton Eye Joe, our variation is where you go tap, 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 tap. At the very beginning is how it starts. It's usually just 1, 2, 3, 4. But that's our variation. Come on out and learn it and join us. Be an insider. Number 4 dance I think that you need to know is Back on Texas Time. That song fills the floor. People love it. It's a nice improver level dance that you can totally learn using my videos online. The number 3 dance you need to know is the Tush Push. It's a classic. It's been around forever. It's not going away. There are a lot of variations on the floor. Do the variation you like best. I don't teach the most commonly danced one because I think it's hard for beginners to pick up. But you'll be able to pick it up if you're there on the floor moving with the flock of birds out there. The number 2 dance you need to learn is the Cowboy ChaCha. After 9 o'clock, you'll get a lot of time to do that one. You can dance it as a couple or singly. We do it as a circle dance at the Cotton Eye Joe. You'll have a lot of fun on the dance floor with that one. But the number 1 dance you need to know, if you're going to be dancing at the Cotton Eye Joe, is of course the Cotton Eye Joe. We dance it every night at 9 p.m. The song we play is 9 minutes long, so bring a towel because you'll be sweating, and get something to drink at the bar. But yeah, those are the 5 dances that if you know those, you'll get a lot of time on the dance floor at the Cotton Eye Joe. Thank you. Let me know if you need videos for any of those dances, if you have a trip coming up. But as of October 19th, 2022, those are the top 5 dances that you need to do. Thanks for joining me. Keep on dancing, y'all.